I say, you're wrong. This is a proper sports car from the generation where if you put the hood up, you're considered soft. It's starting to rain, actually, as I said that. Michelle wants this car, but every time she sees a sports car, she wants it. She's already got an MGA and the Austin 7. She's just being greedy. This is a lovely one, actually. It's had a lot of restoration, which was completed only in the last year. This is the second of the 100 series. It's the BN2, so she's got the 4-speed gearbox. Also has overdrive. When they appeared at the 52 Motor Show, they were really quite a sensation because the 100 title was the fact that the car could do a genuine ton, which of course was a big deal at that time. Lovely styling by Gerry Coker, and when the car was shown originally by the Healey Motor Company, Leonard Lord of Austin thought, right, this is what we want, and struck the deal to build the car. The Austin A90 Atlantic engine. Originally they had the 3-speed gearbox, but this is the later one. This is the BN2.
Beautiful leather interior.
Yeah, it was a minimal mileage for the completion of the restoration. Everything's nice, really nice. It's a genuine UK car from new. These early hundreds, they do have so much character. In actual fact, if you're broad in the shoulder like me, these are actually easier to drive because the 3000 Mark II convertible and the 3, you've got winding windows, so therefore you haven't got this extra space in the door, so you've got a bit more elbow room in these earlier side screen cars. All the weather equipment, as one would expect, is new, and she's sitting on a nice new set of Blockley radials. And for a sports car, actually quite a reasonable boot. We take the tonneau out, it's easier to see. The side screens have actually ever been fitted, they're brand new.